You may not yet have tried Microsoft's new Bing chat search engine, which uses a next-generation OpenAI model said to be more powerful than ChatGPT. You can join the waiting list to get new Bing early access. But before that, if you are new to this channel, please subscribe or click the follow button to be updated with our latest upload. To join the waiting list, just go to this site in your browser, bing.com/new. Click Join the Waitlist. You need to log in into your Microsoft account. Then you will be added in the waitlist. You will see this option right here to get new Bing faster. You need to make Microsoft as default on your PC and download the Microsoft Bing app. When you scan the QR code, you will get into the App Store and download this Microsoft Bing search app. And lastly, log into your account. When you have cleared the waitlist, you'll receive an email letting you know that you can access the new Bing at bing.com. Then you can start typing in your usual search box. The new Bing is also available in the chat experience, found at the top of search results. For more how-to tutorials, please subscribe or click our other videos to keep on watching.